Good afternoon, kids. Today we will start learning EVS. We will start with the chapter number 1, the life cycle of animals. Chapter number 1, the life cycle of animals. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? Kids, look at these puppies and their mother. Are you finding some similarities? Yes, they both are look same. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarity? See kids, this is a caterpillar and this one is a butterfly. Have you find any similarity between them? No, caterpillar is just come out of an egg and this is an adult butterfly. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Kids, see, this is a hen. You all know that hen lays eggs and out of that a chicks come out. Do kittens come out of eggs? Kids, have you seen cat lays an egg? No. Kittens come out of the cat's tummy. The growth of animals. A kid and fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. Kids, see, this is kid and this one is a fully grown goat. Have you find difference between them? No, they are almost same. See, this is a cat and kitten. They both look same. Kitten and adult kid doesn't look different. These baby grow in their mother's tummy and born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay an egg, but some animals like crow, spider, lizard lays an egg. Kids, just cat, dog, goat, cow, they do not lay an egg, but hen, butterfly, ants, these are the animals which lays an egg. A chicken is born from an egg. Ant, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are the animals that lays an egg, but we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So kids, as you know, ants are very small and their eggs are too tiny. We mostly cannot notice them. So we do not come to know that these animals lays eggs, but we know for sure that hen lays an egg. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Kids, you know now, hens always lays an egg and it is in bigger size. We almost see it. Am I right? Have you all seen the eggs? Yes. Most of the students are even eat the eggs. A new term, hatch. What is meant by hatch? Have you heard the word hatch? When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Kids, have you seen that? When a hen lays an egg, she will sit on them. Why she is sitting on them? She is hatch the egg, that is hatching her egg. A hen lays her eggs warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the eggs. So, after laying them, the hens sit on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. Hen is sitting on the eggs because the chicks need a warmth for growing up inside the eggs. That is why the hen sits on the eggs. When its growth is complete, the chick break the eggshells and come out. When the growth of the chick is complete, he broke the eggshell and come out of it. The hen look after the chicks till they grow a little bigger. The hen look after the chicks till they grow up little bigger. Do you know, kids, when a hen is hatching her egg, she became aggressive for a fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the egg. Kids, when the hen sit on the eggs for the hatching, she became very aggressive, angry. Why she became angry? Because she had a fear in her mind, and that when someone may stole the egg or broke some eggs, that is why she is taking care of their eggs for the safety of the chicks. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the egg. Kids, don't go when the hen is hatching the eggs, okay? Now, use your brain power. This is your homework. What are the similarities between the hen and her chicks? You have to find the similarity between hen and chicks. This is your homework, kids. You have to solve your homework till tomorrow, okay? Good night.